Hello everyone, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. This is our next video on WordPress tutorial. We are going to see that how to install WordPress. Let us understand what is the system requirement for WordPress. WordPress requires very low system requirements. If you see that it requires PHP of version 2.4.2 or greater version and MySQL version of 5.0.15 or any greater will be required. You can also use MariaDB, which is exactly same as MySQL, similar version. You will have to search and identify any hosting provider which will not give you WordPress support. So it is so popular and so easy that each and every hosting provider will give you support for WordPress. If you want to get into Java, you may find difficulty that each and every hosting provider may not give you Java support, but you will surely get support for WordPress. Along with that, you will also get auto installers which will make your task very easy. They will automatically help you to install your WordPress. Let's see from where you can download the WordPress zip. Let me show you. You can download the WordPress zip from Google. You can just type download WordPress and you will get the following links. Just click on the first link and it will take you to this particular page of wordpress.org. From here you can download your WordPress latest version. The first file will download you the zip file and second file will download you the tar file. So this is how you can download your WordPress zip file. This zip file you can use for installation purpose. The link is given here in the presentation also. We will give it in the comment section, description section as well. Second thing you may require is FTP and file manager. File manager will be given by the hosting provider. FTP is a tool that basically file transfer protocol. That tool will help you to transfer your file from your local computer to the remote file system. One of the example of FTP is FileZilla. This is one of the example. Here you can provide hostname, that is the IP address of your server, the username with which you log in into your server, and the password. The default port you can keep it as 22 or 21. Let us see that how you can download this particular file system, file transfer software. FileZilla is one of the file transfer software. You can click FileZilla download and you can click on the first link which you get. It will take you to a page and from here you can download the FileZilla for Windows 64-bit. And then you can install a lightweight software. It will open up like this. Let us go back to the presentation. After this, we have WordPress databases. If you are using auto installer, you need not to configure WordPress database. If you are doing it manually, you may have to basically create a database and then you will have to create a user and that you will have to configure in the installation steps. Let's now see practically how this happens. You can see that I am opening here Godaddy account. So we are here on the Godaddy page. Let us sign in from here and let us get into the account of Godaddy. Let me put the username here and the username is 202767670 and let me put the password. So I am signing in into the Godaddy account and let us quickly see that what are the things inside the Godaddy account. I will have to validate it. So let me validate with the security code. Alright, so I'm able to log in into my Godaddy account and here we will see that how we can install the WordPress. So quickly I will help you out with the components here. These are the products. This is one of the domain I have taken, dhanvantariresorts.com. We are not using it as of now. Deluxe hosting with cPanel. This is one of the hosting we have taken. I will click on manage to take you to the hosting. We have already discussed about hosting in the first video. You can go for the previous videos and you can check it out. We have spoken about the hosting. So this is how you can see that practically what hosting we have taken. and here I have option to go into cPanel. So cPanel is that portion of the hosting where you actually manage your files, you actually manage your databases and certain other functionalities. So I'm into the cPanel now. If I click on the file manager, we had discussed about the file manager in the presentation. So this is the file manager where all the files will get stored, and I will go to one auto installer. So here we have one auto installer which is called as Installtron Application Installer. This is the auto installer to install WordPress and WordPress like applications. I have installed, here you can see these are the WordPress I have installed here. I will go to application browser, you can see on top application browser right hand side, and here I have multiple options. So here one of the option is WordPress. I click on the WordPress, I click here install this application, and now it will help me to install this application. You can see here that I can select a particular domain name here. I will select http Dhanvantri Resorts, and here I will basically select, let's say today it's May, so I will select May. Okay, so it will create a folder under dhanvantriresorts.com/may, and there it will install this particular WordPress. I just need to click install here and it will start the installation. So you can see that only in 2 to 3 steps I am able to set up the WordPress. So you can see that it has started the installation process. It is copying the files and directories. I need not to create the database. I need not to download the WordPress zip file. This is the auto installer. So I believe you are able to understand. If you are using some auto installer, it becomes very easy for you to basically bypass all other manual steps. Just on few clicks you are able to set up your WordPress website. Okay, so let it complete. Okay, by that time let us explore some other options of the hosting. So you can see that it is 100% completed, and now we are ready to log in into the WordPress dashboard. So I'll just click here to get login into the WordPress dashboard, and we are lucky enough to get this particular installer. Let me just select some of the services here. Okay, some of the features. I'll just select the first template only, and with the help of this first template we will start designing our website. It is asking certain more information. I'll just select the defaults and click on finish. It is installing our template. We have to remain on this particular page until it basically installs the template, otherwise it may be a problem. So I will remain here. Okay, and by that time I'll just see that what is the CPU usage at this particular time of my server. Let us see that. So here you can see that file usage, and where's the CPU usage? So CPU usage is not visible on the top here. Okay, but file usage is quite more. 159,710 is the file usage. Okay, so that is quite more. I may have to clean the files. It is still installing, so let us wait for some time, and by the time it gets installed, you can see here that the theme has been installed and we have got a wonderful template here, and I am scrolling it down to show you that what is there in this particular wonderful template. So all these things are there in this particular template. Okay, so this is how you can simply install WordPress with the help of one auto installer which is available in Godaddy, that is Installtron.
If you liked our video and would like to recommend it to your friends, please like, share and subscribe to Indeed Inspiring Infotech. We would also love to hear your suggestions and feedback in the comment section below.